Welcome back to our channel, where we explore natural remedies for common ailments. Today, we're going to discuss some effective home remedies for ear pain, a common discomfort that many of us experience. Whether it's due to an ear infection, sinus congestion, or a buildup of earwax, these remedies can provide natural relief. So, let's dive right in. Remedy number 1, warm compress. One of the simplest and most effective remedies for ear pain is a warm compress. Start by dipping a clean cloth in warm water and wringing out the excess. Then, gently place the warm cloth against the affected ear for 10 to 15 minutes. The heat will help soothe the pain and reduce inflammation. Remedy number 2, olive oil. Olive oil has been used for centuries as a natural remedy for various ailments, including ear pain. Warm a small amount of olive oil, making sure it's not too hot. Then, using a dropper, put a few drops of the warm oil into the affected ear. Let it sit for a few minutes, and then tilt your head to let the oil drain out. Olive oil can help soften earwax and alleviate discomfort. Remedy number 3, garlic oil. Garlic is known for its antimicrobial properties, which can be beneficial for ear infections. Crush a garlic clove and mix it with a tablespoon of olive oil. Let it sit for a while to allow the garlic to infuse its properties into the oil. Then, strain the mixture and apply a few drops into the affected ear. Garlic oil can help reduce pain and fight infection. Remedy number 4, warm salt bag. A warm salt bag can provide quick relief from ear pain. Take a clean sock and fill it with coarse salt. Tie a knot at the open end and heat it in a microwave for a few seconds until warm, but not too hot. Gently place the warm salt bag against the affected ear for 5 to 10 minutes. The heat and salt combination can alleviate pain and reduce inflammation. Remedy number 5, tea tree oil. Tea tree oil is well known for its antibacterial and antifungal properties. Mix a few drops of tea tree oil with a tablespoon of a carrier oil, such as olive or coconut oil. Apply a small amount of this mixture around the outer ear canal, avoiding direct contact with the eardrum. Tea tree oil can help soothe pain and fight off infection. Remedy number 6, chewing gum. Believe it or not, chewing gum can help relieve ear pressure and pain, especially during air travel or when dealing with sinus congestion. Chewing gum stimulates the muscles in the ear, promoting better drainage and equalizing the pressure. So, keep a pack of sugar-free gum handy for quick relief. Remember, if your ear pain persists or is accompanied by severe symptoms, it's essential to consult a healthcare professional for a proper diagnosis and treatment. That's all for today's video on home remedies for ear pain. We hope you found these natural solutions helpful. If you have any other remedies or tips too. Thanks for watching.